Have you ever felt like you earn money, but at the end of the month, you're wondering, where did it all go? You're not alone. For millions of Americans, managing money can feel overwhelming, especially if math isn't your strong suit. But here's the good news, creating a budget that works doesn't have to be complicated, and you don't need to be a math genius to do it. In this video, we'll show you how to take control of your finances with a simple, stress-free budget that you can actually stick to. Let's start with the basics. A budget is just a plan for how you'll spend and save your money. Think of it like a roadmap. If you know where your money is going, it's easier to avoid financial stress. First, figure out how much you earn every month. For most people, this is your paycheck after taxes. If you have a side hustle or freelance income, include that too. Next, look at your expenses. Start with the essentials: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation. These are your must-haves. Then, take a closer look at the nice-to-haves like eating out, streaming subscriptions, or that daily latte from Starbucks. Here's an example. Let's say you bring home $3,500 a month. Your rent is $1,200, groceries are $400, and utilities are $200. These are non-negotiables, so they come first. That leaves you with $1,700 for everything else. Now comes the fun part, setting spending limits. Use a simple rule like the 50/30/20 guideline. This means 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. If that sounds too rigid, don't worry. The key is to adjust it to fit your life. Maybe you cut back on dining out so you can save for a vacation or pay off a credit card faster. It's all about finding a balance that works for you. And here's a pro tip: use tools like budgeting apps. Apps like Mint or Anab, You Need a Budget, can automatically track your spending and make it easier to see where your money is going. Remember, budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about freedom. By planning your spending, you'll feel more in control and less stressed when bills come in. So, there you have it, a simple way to create a budget that works, even if numbers aren't your thing. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every step you take toward managing your money better is a step toward financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next money-saving tip. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use these tips in your life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.